Hey everybody, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and in today's video we have a small beach house, and it is older Berber, probably about 17 years old. Yeah, you can do the living room too, just don't overwet them.
I didn't spray the living room yet.
Yeah, you can up to even with the fireplace. Yeah, like you can see the traffic, and then by the front door, get that real good too. Yeah, like that, nice and even. Okay, and this one also has, you can see Berber carpet in the kitchen. If I can lift the camera up, and then you got the white nylon carpet in this room. You can see the beach over there. And we'll hit it with the 175. We'll come back and take a look at the results. This was a relatively small job. Put some beautiful triangles down, of course, on the nylon carpet, since it will show the patterns. There you go. And the Berber will not show any patterns, so we don't need to do that. It was funny because my helper was in the back room with the grooming brush, and I walked back and asked him, "What are you doing?" And he said, "I'm making triangles." I said, "You see any triangles?" He said, "No," and then he laughed. Went into the room with the white carpet. There's the kitchen. This job came out beautiful. Here you have the 175 ready to pack up. Appreciate you watching. Look forward to seeing the next episode. This one was a short one. Hope y'all have a great day.